What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Just like the title says, I will be installing Ventvisors or rain guards, how some people call them. And once again, Issyauto reached out and said, hey, would you like to try our new product? I said yes, send them over and I'll review them. And that's what they did. So let me set you guys down. They sent me out their Ventvisors for the Toyota Tacoma. They are compatible for all third gens, so that's from 2016 to 2021. Any third gen Tacoma, these are compatible with. Link will be in the description. This is for the crew cab, so obviously you're gonna get 4. And these are the in channel, and I'll explain what that is. These will just get inserted like so in the front, and then angle it right there, and then they just slide right in and they tuck inside this little channel right here, right where the window will slide in. It'll just get tucked up like that. With the double-sided tape, it'll just get stuck right up on here. So to be honest, install on these is super easy. Just like that, super easy. Like I said, install is all done. That's what it looks like now. Super subtle, pretty flush, which is really nice because I'm not a huge fan of the ones that like you can really tell that they're there, that really flare out. So as you can tell, in channel, so you don't even see the double-sided tape, which is really nice. These do go all the way down to here. So the material is just the plastic that's tinted. So if you have tinted windows like mine are in the back, or they're more smoked from factory, it blends in from a distance, which is really nice. They don't stand out, they don't even pop out like I showed before. Pretty flush. So yeah, once again, thank you Issyauto for reaching out and sending me this product. Definitely suggest you guys check them out. Like I said, link will be in the description for these. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget, live life. All right, so real quick, guys, after driving home, I noticed this. Just a heads up, it does have like this bluish tint. Also the back one, well, they all have this bluish tint. I don't know how you guys feel about that, but I noticed that when I was driving home, and I thought I should share that too. But yeah, I just thought I should give you a heads up before you guys actually make the purchase, and then realize that I didn't tell you guys about that. But yeah, it's got like a bluish tint to them. But yeah, I just thought I should share that with you guys.